At Prato delle Valle, judging by the size of this place ahead. In this road I've just come through now, there's a whole lot of people on bikes just commuting. Great to see. Some beautiful shops too. Oh, that ice cream, that gelato looks unreal. This is pretty spiffy. Doesn't mean I gotta ride around on bloody cobbles all the time. These aren't that much better. I think I'll head for the safety of this. Where's everybody going? Am I going the wrong way? I don't know. What they say in the cartoons? Awful lot of immigrants around here. Oops. Just keep my eyes open, hopefully not smacking anybody else. Oh, wow. So we've done Prato delle Valle, obviously. And let's go and check out the bridge over here. Some interesting statues and things. Wow. I'll get me a pic of this one, I reckon. This is worth a photo. Excuse me a second. Oh, piede. Just keep out of the way. That's San Antonio there, but what's that big one over there? Freaking hell. What's that church? The size of it. Big mother. I'm gonna have to try and get a look at the front of that one. Oh. Obviously setting up for something. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, they're setting up for a bit of a fair of some sort. Alcatraz. That look like a fun ride, eh? Try and get around the front of this bloody thing, whatever the hell it is. Still going. No, I smell the jasmine, man. It's full on jasmine here. See if we can get round to the front of that bloody church. Oh, finally, there's a tram line now. It might be worth following the tram line. A few people smoking cigars around here. There's some Via Beato Luca Belludi. So there's a San Antonio. Very touristy place. Go to the right. No, they don't have to go to the right. We've got that little river again. I've picked up a pretty bad creak on this bike at the moment. I reckon the seat needs a bit of a tighten. You might be able to hear the tick 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 sounds it's making. That looks like San Antonio dead ahead. San Antonio. Chiesa de San Antonio. Clunk clunk. Praise the Lord. What do you got in there? Church. Local priest. All right. Okay. No. Looks like there's a guard there, and it means I can't get in there. So we won't worry about that. San Antonio. So, wow. Let's look at the size of this thing. You hear that creaking? It's driving me nuts. Okay. Shade my eyes a bit. It's bloody big, that's for sure. The size of this thing. Bloody huge. Lady behind me. As you can see here. Oh, what's that? Area pedonale. Another one. Oh, here in front of us is Piazza delle Erbe, and as you can see they're selling fruit and vegetables, but what's more interesting is up there, the archways. That looks quite fascinating. The Piazza della Frutta is over to the other side. Well, it looks like fruit to me from here, but anyway. So this is the market that they have all the time. Might be worth a bit of a pick. Just quickly, get that bloody code going. Okay, set. Oh, nice bike. Set to go around this way, over to the right. Wow, check it out. This is. How can this? The other one be place of the fruit? What's that look like? Oh, it's more vegetable, I guess, but it's got fruit too. I'm not capiche, but anyway. That looks pretty spiffo up there, whatever that is. Oh, it's the market. More of the market area, by the looks of things. Cafe. I gotta go around this way to the right. Oops. Around to the right. And missed it. I was looking at it before, for Christ's sakes. It's the oldest clock in Europe or something. Yeah. Oh well, now I'm going to have some fun working out how to get home.